Hello there, this is Pat Lowe and welcome to P. Lowe's Adventures. Today, we'll be snorkeling in Hawaii. So I was out at the beach with my family and we were just kind of sitting on the beach and enjoying having a good time. And I thought, well, I've got some snorkeling gear and a GoPro. Let's see what I find. This beach wasn't supposed to be a big snorkeling beach. Nobody was really out there doing it, but I figured I'd give it a shot anyway. And wow, was I amazed at what I saw under the water. As you can see, there was lots of little fish swimming around everywhere, and this little school here was kind of neat because they were all bunched up together. Then I ran across this little guy. I think he was a puffer fish, but he didn't puff up. Oh well. Anyway, it was really quite peaceful down there. Not tons of fish, little fish going in and out of rocks. Then I ran across these angelfish. And I really enjoyed just kind of the tranquility of being down underneath the water. However, after a little while, something happened that was really quite shocking to me. As I was following this angelfish around, I just felt like there was something else down there. Something big. And after this angelfish kind of swam underneath a rock and hid, I started looking around, and look what I saw. Yep, a gigantic sea turtle. It actually scared me quite a bit for a second because it was so big and so close to me, it kind of snuck up behind me. But then after a little while I realized it's just swimming. That's all it's doing, and it didn't mind that I was there. It was really quite peaceful to see this gigantic sea turtle in his home environment, in his ocean, just swimming around. I just enjoyed watching it for a little while. After 30 seconds or maybe a minute or so, I realized it was kind of heading out to sea, and I started to get a little bit nervous because I'd never been snorkeling before, and I was on a beach where if you got out a little bit too far, the tide kind of starts crashing down on you. So I think at right about this point, I decided to just watch as it swam out to sea. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and hopefully you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed being there and filming it. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will continue to try to put up more videos like this of some of my adventures.